What's up, your boy MZB Nation Reaction back again with another reaction, man. I got myself today Laura Bretan song, man. Laura Bretan song, like I always gonna be saying every time, man. The Romanian Chicago born girl, who amazed me with the singing voice, ability to sing, that good, that well, as if she was like, performing operas and stuff like that. So it was just like the amazing talent. That one person subscriber told me, hey, you should try to check out Laura Bretan. And since then, I was very, very stunned and very surprised the way she was like singing, and I always enjoy like listening to like good voices, vocal voice, all that stuff, and a good singer like, and she was I think she was in America Got Talent, if I'm not mistaken. So there's a lot of talented people over there. So some of them um um do make out as an artist. Some of them don't, but I think what's her name? Um, Come on, man. What's your name? Yeah, Gianna Kuzhnova also was in. I don't know if she was Russian, Got Talent. Yeah, I think she must have been one in there too. She made it out as a great singer now, and Laura was I think an American one. So, and this song to that I'll be reacting to is called "After the Rain." So I checked it. It was released a year ago. I'm a little late, man, because I just barely found out about her. So yeah, I don't take it easy, man. Take it easy. So I'm gonna here continue with this journey. Checking out a lot of her songs, man. Hopefully, copyrights, they'll follow me, and we're gonna still keep enjoying her as much as we can, man. So y'all make sure to subscribe, like, comment. Y'all let me know what you want me to read next down below in the comment section. Leave me a suggestion, recommendation, and let's start this reaction, y'all. I always like the imagery, the scenery beyond her, like the nature, the trees, and all that stuff. Like it's just so amazing. And the way she be standing still, well dressed, with all looking professional and stuff like that. So I listen to this song, man. Y'all getting feeling really sad, man. I feel like she's singing about life itself, man. Just using the rain and the storm, all that stuff as a metaphor, to represent like the challenges of life, stuff like that. So I'm listening to this song and I feel like it is very painful, very sad. It has a sad vibe while I'm listening to, man. So I just want to point that out. I don't know how y'all also um think the same ones I do. Songs is getting me And your song was about, I could say maybe it was about resilience and hope, maybe, and using the storm as a metaphor to represent like life challenges, maybe, and it is it is a song about um life itself, man, life situation, stuff like that that happens in our daily life, man. Just kind of like life experience, man. You experience like good and bad things. You have struggle, you struggle, and then there's a way, you could come on all that stuff, and then there's like a dark and a light. So pretty much that was the song. What was the song about, man? And and the voice of Laura just brings a lot of those emotions, man. I was listening to her sing, and I was like, man, I was thinking, man, I was thinking about what the song meant, what the song means, because I was trying to picture, it's like, man, if she's singing about like all these kind of life challenges and stuff, I'm not thinking about the things that happened to me, that like some of them I kind of conquered. I Some of them, I'm still facing them challenges. Especially when it's about life. So it is real thing. Real, like people say, real shit. Shit that happens in our lives. We we go through, and the song was just like, and I really enjoy Laura's voice. She's just amazing to listen to. There's, like I said, there's so many good singers nowadays, man. These young singers are really making my days because they have great singing voices, and I enjoy this, man. I enjoy this. Thank God I found out about Laura, and now that I'm able to enjoy it, I'm able to enjoy her songs. And this was another amazing, amazing one, man. So I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.